Hello, good morning everyone. So, today we are talking with Akshita, but this is a just conversation class. We all asking the question, talking for just 10 minutes something. We all totally speak English. Hello, good morning Akshita.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Uh, in which class do you read?
I am reading class 6.
Where are you from?
I am from Chennai, sir.
What is your school name?
My school name is Ballymote.
What is your district name?
My district name is Uttarvasi.
What is your country name?
My country name is India.
How many siblings are you?
We are two siblings.
When do you play?
I am not playing
Why?
because I not like playing.
What is your father's name?
My father name is Mr. Vinod.
What is your mother's name?
My mother name is Mrs. Mamta.
What is your grandfather's name?
My grandfather name is Mr. Madan Mohan Bhatt.
What is your grandmother's name?
My grandmother name is Mrs. Munni.
When do your birthday?
My birthday on 13th February.
What is your best friend name?
My best friend name is Ananya Natyal.
What is your best color? Who is your best color name?
Black.
What is your favorite book?
Science.
Who is your favorite city?
Mumbai.
Why?
Because there is nice room.
Okay. Good morning आरती. ठीक है. How are you?
I am fine.
What is your father name?
My father name is Mr. Maipal Singh Pawar.
What is your mother name?
My mother name is Mrs. Anita Devi.
In which class do you read?
I read in class 8B.
What are your hobbies?